This is the structure for UV21 which I'm gonna assemble today. We have made the structure out of wood. We have pasted a vinyl sheet on it. So now I'm going to assemble it. So right now I am attaching the motor to the robot. So now I am going to fix the tire. So now I am going to place the batteries and attach them with the PCB. So this is the PCB and now we are going to attach it with the batteries. Now I will attach all the wires to the PCB. So I have placed these lights and connected them to the PCB. Now I will attach these to the choke. So I am placing this camera right now. So now I have completed the assembly of the robot. This is UV21, a robot which can kill bacteria through UVC lights. As the pandemic is going on, hospitals are filled with bacteria. So this robot can kill all sorts of bacteria and viruses. This UV light can harm the human skin and human eyes. We can control this robot through Wi-Fi from any device. I have placed this 360-degree camera so we can control the robot without coming in contact with it. So now we will show you the working of the robot. So this is the camera through which we can see everything.